Hello, my name is Suwa Robert. I call me Suwa Robert. My friend is Suwa Robert. My turn Ghana and in video normally me can't train no maintain papa, but a bomb woman with me pesa a translation and pabim make our train the way on Betiasi. Ghana no na me a sportsman, me to me kapa 1987. Me win it 1,500 meters, me a second the whole Greater Accra. Your counter regionals, me ko yare wo 1988, 5,000 meters, me winning the whole Greater Accra secondary schools. The whole Greater Accra secondary schools, no? I was number one. And also you call inter-regionals, no? Yare nkwa because Adriani or mama wo ye hono. Adriani is so bad say ye di wache sa to a point I say that made na me yare. But umbeko rehearsal be over New Zealand, no? Me training in at the end, no me training in at the end, no me ding Irae our list, no. That was 1988. The whole me decided say me to coin in 1991, 7th November, me free Ghana. Me could do Italy 8th November 1991. Imagine Ghana, say and say Obipo Bola, ni me say, Obekwa Korewa, Abrochire. Abrochire, me bobo, because of documenting, see, me yeshi, a juma, me ye cheese, a juma sa, minya document you know, and me started bobo. Me bobo 1998, 1998 to 1990 to 2002 to 2002. Me last pay me G work football war almost 500 euro. I got 10 euro, 490 euros a month. Me division yeah, it's about 7th division compared to Ghana. We know 7th division. Ghana, I don't think say 7th division be what. And me see quite 480 90 euros a month plus uboot ni bibiano yetuama. I don't think say and there yetina hono first division and premier call it the way you want it to know. Ghana no bet me 500 euro a month. Enti bano saying say you call sorry yempa boni nyina say nyankopon boaye na yenko abrochire so bi ye adwuma wo bibia oria de obe fan insan de obe fan ho nyina ni intention so obe ria no de boa ne ho nko abrochi ana obe boa ne ba no onko abrochi. So bi was sika kra wo Ghana ne hope ni say obenya document wa abrochi ana obema ne bam eko abrochi. Enti sisi to me no say ye bompire ma enye to me ampa. It's the fact say ye bompire ma obroni just say it's better say yes we should worship the white. We better worship the white. Because God don't care about sisi ayanyankopon kra ayekiti wa yanyankopon ayekiti because we don't believe in our God. We believe in white man. Also ben pakra believe in white man because wabodua enye juma ohun say ni pa bo no enye juma enti or believe in white man gang white man ayeno or believe in gang no say so kita gan no obetuma solve any issues no. Sisi Ghana destruction no is led by Kennedy Agyapong. 21 years Ghana Kennedy Agyapong spending war politics no. is the leading destruction of Ghana. Kennedy Japan as trafficking Onupa over 500 that call America. And he is proud of it or to make camp with boldness. At the same time, no organize so can be beer and yet ma Ghana say me my free Ghana from 91 to now, me konya 30 years. 7th November, manya 30 years. Me free Ghana. And then the hope of Ghanaians is only traveling. And Kennedy Japan, see, say, omu to me, yeah, say, bibi be ye ubi be to me, anya juma ye Ghana, be live a dignified life, So tina approach na uka omu asema, omu babe destroy war. Because omu to me a fact playing, Akufo-Addo is surrounded by criminals. And Akufo-Addo yele is Akufo-Addo ni yele leading criminals. Ombefa play say omuko say obi ejuma because oye ejuma wo car park. Me most of us and me crap 99% of ye ba approaching apart from ye yirimu ye wives wo settle answer na onu beba ana unuamu wa settle answer na ubeka akofo most of us no baby I metina ye Italy me first time yetina wo Italy no see ushe number of people ye da ho condition e wo ho no because you want to me rent dan e dan kan so rent dan just want to me bo bia wo fie enti see aboa ti say animal aboa adoye and someone no aboa pa any Kennedy Japan is surrounded by aboa ono so ya aboa because also bempano me who say a ding also bempano a curse ma asante for na tree for no say e be ye a obi a obe wo uba no but mo den say obe jai side no because a curse so we share automatically no pa kuno be ya aboa Kennedy Japan oba owo nim owo din betina say wo wa rapino dia na so Ghana. Se twini jona si Ghana ye fom ho Ghana nye fom o fom ho so unam ofo me ma ye adwuma wo fom saa e wo Ghana e Italy ni nyina so unam ofom a wo feel nature Ghana nye fom o Ghana ye baller obia wonti ase no mfa no saa Ghana ye baller so udi e konkran na unko smelly nkran so hu river bi wo Ghana kohona nko slemi sa nko smelly sa surrounding na unfa compare from any Ghana cities no the capital of Ghana no hot smelly hot bon Ghana bon so say ye bola kokolebu midwifery ward no maternity ward no koho minim se won asiesie ho de minim but koho enda me free Ghana me last time ko Ghana be 7 years ni me koho first time so ko hwe bibia omba wu a first time omuyi ni free ward bibia omudi da ho no a Ghana nye from Ghana ye baller typical baller enti se Akufo-Addo eni ni yire to me charter flight na CCA of thing or dream who say no on here plane fufro or the benante Akufo-Addo eni ni yire here plane fufro or the benante dia Ghana ye baller eni ye di buonupa asi yenim ye bompai ye njama nyankopon asi yenim ana CCA Chrome to me, CCA dear your nation the last destruction. CCA your destruction your last. Because respect the elders, respect the leaders, respect the whoever is ever done other than you. Now respect because only nina free Chrome back or ye will tribe no. No, ye Jimmy. Baby before ye Jimmy oh. Baby before ye Jimmy Papa. Baby before ye Jimmy Papa. Meeting a hono chance no na minya but me stupid But say aye leaders no ma yen nyina ye stupid and ye behave to say moi yen nyina ye behave to say moi because Ghanaians be brave wo ha ye betumi aboa aye afa Ghana ensi ho. On here obi obekɔ school ana obi obeka brofo kɛseɛ. Me tena hɔ no for 13 years no. Ferrari de me party a me maye say you use have party no free car no Formula 1 car no on ko bia. Or the me party he has run with my part for 13 solid years. The part I've produced, no, if you remove that part from Ferrari Formula 1 car no, and mean just stupid. And this at the same no, Ghanaians be brave or near more or muye or foreign no is so amazing. But respect the errors. You have to respect the errors. Akufo-Addo is a one more friend say, oh, I don't. First lady. Akufo-Addo oya shawuni, oya tu ni, because sonya shawuni koshe kolebu. Ono kura ha say Akufo-Addo no oni ni nipa owu baby ansana oni ni ko. Because only the odi sika chikeke. Social chroma say what is so disgraceful say say your people are traveling, they are risking their life going to finding every ways and means to get out of that country, and you call yourself first lady dressing and walking, following this criminal who doesn't respect. Akufo-Addo doesn't respect Ghanaians. Akufo-Addo wife doesn't respect the Ghanaians. Akufo-Addo wife don't respect women. Look at the condition women are in Ghana. Look at the condition women. Look at the children. Look at the condition of children. It's so disheartening. Madame Fobi already found almost $700,000, over $7,000. $700,000, getting to almost $1 million, all because we can't trying to say I drank with animals in Ghana before moving to Italy. Say mindi nantwe endum nso ansa na me free Ghana no. He touches his heart and started fundraising. Mines no. Yenya over 700, but I mean 5 in Ghana. Akufo-Addo Odasoka Ghana Beyond Aid. Akufo-Addo oya bua bi. Akufo-Addo is the most useless president Ghana ever had. Odasoka Ghana Beyond Aid. Now Odaso renti luxury cars. Se aye nyina ye demo ye dani amwa ebua. You all become animals. Ghanaians' hope is it come to abroad on DNA, say ye car park and Jumano Sua. Akufo-Addo is surrounded and sponsored by animals. Abua doyansu, onunsu, or car park, no, nayan yedi. Kennedy Japan as smuggling is the ababruchi, and yakin omu politician in Sahana Muye. Visa fraud, no, miti Australia, Mumbra Australia, miti Australia, miti Adelaide, Mumbra. So do what my country almost say pious no only Australia and MPP minister of fake journalist or the move back room ha my country say me can move be brother to me wa it Australia brother say yes room yes room me hide me only wimpe me only wimpe say me yere on pet say me yes hide no anka me dey me ya mo chen twini juna so because talent mo ashinu Ghanaians mo frustrate Ghanaians mo akom no ye bi no ye be mo akom straight. Frustration, destruction, people's life, frustration. A whole Ghana national team player, Beko Italy, Oko a floor ties. A whole Ghana national footballer. People who have not one, not two, are knew about 4, 5 of Ghana national players. from Teshi. They are now surviving in Italy, packing ceramic tiles. God will curse you. God will curse you with your families. And I think God is hearing my prayers because Kevin Taylor we used to say Akufo-Addo brother yesisa ni kidney kenoforiata yesisa ni liver Kennedy Japan onu nso da ho oba okọ America onyankopo betu amuka because mu die se mu yare a mu kọ America Akufo-Addo yere se mu yare a ukọ Britain na Ghana obamu kowu a social condition sisi a boy bi frɛ me na owo Germany watena Germany 7 years onya paper obi me paper no de adwuma sisi a ne yire a oja no Ghana no the woman has passed away o kitaba mienu baako no de ono wahunu da ohunu wo video call any pictures etan asa wahunu da the woman has passed away in Ghana sisi a wa ye we on to me nko because so okọ a kyerɛ sɛ ne ba no onni future more muhu pain udi ye ma hye. Have you seen pain you have put Ghanaians in? Akufo-Addo yere is the most useless woman on earth. Or to say Mugabe, Grace Mugabe, greedy Akufo-Addo yere we encranate to say me yakaka yo denche jiu yakonye kwashia yakaka binese na fite Ghana onyo to ekono no ke late papa. You are older than one going around telling lies and fooling yourself. Ghanaians are intelligent people. They all cannot, what you are doing, they understand it perfectly. Stop doing that. Stop this respecting Ghanaians. But Ghana be no ke bulega Ghana be. Akufo-Addo stood in front of Accra animal chiefs and said, Accra is going to be the cleanest city in the whole Africa. What is going on today? Ghana is a baller. Ghana is not any who pays the price. We the Ghanaians are suffering all over the world, and now you people are coming to us in abroad and threatening us. Miti Adelaide, Miwo Adelaide. Idiot Adoye any animal also bempano. They are not at fault. The sponsor of that evil is Kennedy Japan. And he's 21 years in office, is to threaten killing. Or he thinks he can do that overseas also. I'm in Adelaide, Miti Australia, Canada, Japan. Miti share waha, mumbra Australia. Australia this America Australia on this America. Yeah, mumbe try also. Me do mumbe si ha. Ghanaians ye pain mistake ye. You say Akufo-Addo papa is anti-Ghana, first anti-Ghana. Akufo-Addo papa is first anti-Ghana because say Ghana nya independent, small country, one year independence first time. Now papa wait to me fat Ghana sika koto down Britain 1960s. Now Ghana hin sika for to develop of fast sika. Koto down Ghana Britain is the first anti-Ghana. Akufo-Addo way onye nipa say before blacks if we think deeply, we reason deeply. Akufo-Addo is not a person. Whoever buy house in abroad does not need to be a Ghanaian leader, because that one is anti-Ghana, and that is what is going on. The entire parliament of Ghana, their children schooling in abroad, they themselves going to hospitals, they all flying, flip and flap. No, they go to hospitals in abroad. Who pay the price? We pay the price. It is the time. Yeah, sorry. Now you start to say no pa. Respect to others, no, is the most stupid devastation of Africa. Respect to others, respect to way no is the most stupid ever idea and culture of what is killing us. If Edda is a stupider, if a young boy is a stupider, he will grow with it. Maybe he can take part. Stupid Edda, no, it doesn't have chance to change. He will die with stupidity. So if you keep on following that stupid, no, once you be stupid, you be brain stupid. Sa stupidity, no, your brain, no, and no, because they see a Ghanaian hope. Every Ghanaian hope say, ɔnkɔ aburokyire Ghana wɔ bibia but ye hope no say yɛnkɔ aburokyire because yɛda so respect animal opanyin a wagye na kyerɛ sɛ wɔmbu no opanyin a wagye me yɛgye me ne gye me no na affect yɛ nyinaa no a na yɛ suffer consequences no. It is time yɛn sorry